Okay, now start.
And here we have a creature called the Heffalump. As you can see, they show no emotion when they are in the shade, but when they're in the sun, all you hear is a slight moaning noise.
What's that noise sound like?
Oh, my bum hurts. She giggles so much. And let's go for a close-up. Has anybody got a stick? Jab, 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 jab. Hello.
Take.
Ow, my bum hurts. Ow, my bum hurts.
Get a seat like mine then.
Creature.
You what?
Creature. And now, as she begins to wake up,
How many sugars?
I will now leave the area before she hits me.
That could be struggling. Go on, you can help me.
What's that kid? What's that man called? That that does Planet Earth and stuff.
David Attenborough.
My name is Dot Attenborough, and I will come back to you with Planet Dot. Thank you. I'm